Hi viewers, today we'll talk about one kind of new math of the algebra. So today we know about this type of math. Actually this is super easy, but some of the person make that hard. So let's try the first one. This is the basic rule, and in the next chapter I think I will give the advanced rule of that also. So first of all you have to take the bigger one at the upper part, means at this part. You understand? Here, like here. Now there are A4, means A multiplied by A for 4 times, like this. So bring to this here, multiplied by A. So here 9 multiplied by A multiplied by A. This will be cut, and for this reason at the next step here also 5 and 5A square. But it is so, I think, so weak or poor rule, but you can also do like that directly, that 4 5 A4, here 9A square. So first of all think what is not here, that which digit is missing here. Here A square, here A4, so we need A square. So by multiplying what, we can turn a 9 into a 45. You have to think that. So doing like this, 5 45. Now you know that the square doesn't, first of all think A square multiplied by A cube. It doesn't multiply like this, that the value of the square is 2 and cube are, you know, that legal 3. So here what comes 6, but it's not the right answer. You have to add these two words together, 5 A5. So like that, if you make a subtraction here, that square from 4 to a square, then you can do a better one, A square. So if you multiply these two with these two, then the A4 will come. This is the smartest way, but this is so much laggy way. So, but when at the exam hall, if the math only for 1 mark, so never do like this. Just simply give the answer. This is the basic rule actually. This is the basic rule, and this is nothing for so much high level. But in next part I will give more and more harder some divisions like this. So as the same way, take this like this, 24 A5, and here the 3A square, 3A cube. Think that if the math come like this, 6A6, 2A square. Now these two will never like that. 6 means you don't have to divide it. You have to subtract 2 from the 6, like this. 6 minus 2, answer will be 4. So as the same way, here will be 3 and 8. 8A cube. These are the basic rules for doing the subtraction. So as the same rule, do again like this, 30 A4 x cube by 6a square x. So there is no power. Have you seen that? Is there any power icon? No. So it carries 1. You have to think that. But in the question it won't be given. So cut that. X square means from the 3x and in below 1x, cut, then x square. So x square, then here a square, a4, so a square, and here legally 5. So that's the correct answer, that 5a square x square. So these are some easiest way. So at now let's know something different. First of all, think or imagine a number like this: a square multiplied by b square multiplied by c square or d square. So then take again a square multiplied by b square multiplied by d square. So here it cut everything. Some of the people will give here directly 0, but not. You can make anything like this. You have to make like this 1, which will carry the power of 0. This is a little bit confusion, that how can a word can carry 0. You can see every power are already destroyed. So just 1, nothing answer. So if someone gives 0, then it's wrong, but 1 is correct. So these are the basic rule of this kind of sums. But if in the upper part a square plus b square, a square minus b square, but in like this kind of sum you have to do a little bit different. But we will know about detail in the next part of this sum. So in this sum I am giving a little bit theme, that in this sum we have to use the formula of this one, and we can also have to take a little bit different kind of calculation for this one. So if you know the perfect answer, comment. But we will know and get a perfect video on this kind of sum in our next topic or part of this video. Bye, and this was all for today, and subscribe my channel